आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
A star B is equal to A upon B minus B upon A. M is greater than N is greater than 0. Column A is 1 by M star 1 by N. Column B is 1 by N star 1 by M. And we have four options. Option 1, if column A is larger. Option 2, if column B is larger. Option 3, if the columns are equal. And option 4, if there is not enough information to decide. So that means in the question A star B is defined as A by B minus B by A, and we have two columns. Column A is 1 by M star 1 by N, and column B is 1 by N star 1 by M. We need to decide which column is greater, or are they equal, or is it that we cannot decide from the given information. Now let us define first 1 by M star 1 by N according to the definition given to us. So according to the definition, A star B is equal to A by B. That means we need to divide these two quantities minus the reciprocal of this number, that is 1 by N divided by 1 by M. So on simplification we have N by M minus M by N, and in a similar way we can define 1 by N star 1 by M, which is equal to 1 by N divided by 1 by M minus the reciprocal, that is 1 by M divided by 1 by N. So on simplification we have M by N minus N by M. So we have defined these two quantities. Now we need to decide which one of them would be larger. Also we have been given the information that M is greater than N, which is greater than 0. That means both M and N are positive numbers and M is larger than N. So if M is greater than N, this will imply that M upon N is greater than 1. And similarly, because M is greater than N, so N upon M would be less than 1. Now using these two facts we can find out of these quantities which one would be greater. Now N by M. Now since N by M is less than 1, so this quantity is less than 1, and then we subtract it from a quantity which is greater than 1. So a quantity which is less than 1 subtracted from a quantity which is greater than 1. So obviously this whole result will turn out to be a negative number. But if we look at column B, M by N. Now since M by N is greater than 1, so this first quantity is greater than 1, and the second quantity N by M is less than 1. So a number greater than 1 subtracted from a number which is less than 1. So the ultimate result would be a positive number. So that means the column B would be larger. So from the options, option 2 is the correct answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।